CEO of toy maker MGA Entertainment, Isaac Larian, suffers from insomnia. He would wake up in the middle of the night and just watch YouTube videos to pass time, just like what you're doing now. He slowly noticed that there's a huge trend on YouTube. It's not prank videos, it's not comedy skits, it's children unboxing new toys. One night, inspired by the unboxing videos, Larian came up with a toy design that later became a $4 billion business idea. This toy is LOL Surprise Dolls, which later were proven to be a huge success. In late 2016, MGA manufactured 500,000 of them as the first testing batch and shipped them to Target. All of them sold out within 2 months. A year later, in 2017, almost 25 million LOL Surprise Dolls were sold, becoming the best-selling toy of the year. In 2018, MGA successfully sold 800 million dolls. It was even named as Toy of the Year by the Toy Association. The LOL dolls also took over the internet by night. Thousands of videos of children and adults unboxing the dolls. The design of LOL Surprise Dolls is nothing out of the ordinary, really. So simple that even a New York Times writer made a comment that it took only 59 minutes to cover everything about this toy. Let's dive into the anatomy of an LOL Surprise Doll set. The idea is that there are multiple surprises in each case, usually 7 or more of them. And each surprise is an item, such as a wig, a pair of shoes, a bracelet, etc. Kids will have to unbox or reveal them each one by one. Just like peeling an onion, but with toys. What makes this toy and unboxing videos so appealing to kids is that it plays on children's curiosity and anticipations. Child development experts believe that these dolls and their surprises will trigger a child's brain that enjoys anticipation. LOL Surprise Dolls play on that anticipation and have kids looking forward to things. This anticipation tactic is nothing new. Baseball card collections have been using this psychology trick for decades. But this time around, with the push of social media and the internet, LOL dolls achieved a new height. LOL Surprise Dolls are proven to be an effective formula for the perfect marketing. But will it be able to withstand the test of time? Well, only time will tell.